Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the word study lesson. Today we're still talking about syllable types and syllable patterns. Remember that a syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sound. And remember also that the longer words have more than just one syllable. And sometimes we have prefix or suffix. Prefix is the word part that goes at the beginning of the word, and suffix is the word part that goes at the end of the word. Anytime you are confused and you don't remember what syllable type and syllable pattern we are using, you can always look at this anchor chart. Remember that there are 6 syllable types. We have the closed syllable, open, R-controlled, VCE, vowel team, and CLE. Let's look at the 2 words that we have for today. The first word is president. What word? President. Very good. We are actually still trying to see who is going to be the new president of the United States. Okay, president. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word president. President. Very good. President. President. It's a leader of the country. President. So now let's look and see what type of syllable do we have in here. E is a vowel, I is a vowel, and E is a vowel. So press will be a closed, id will be a closed syllable, and ent is a closed syllable. So that was easy, right? The closed one is the one that if I go back in here, there is a single vowel followed by a consonant, one or more consonants. Okay, president. And the next word is representative. Oh boy, that's a long word. A representative is a noun. Representative is a noun that means it's a member of Congress. Representative. Ready? Let's see how many syllables we have in the word representative. Get your hands ready and split the word representative into syllables. Representative. Wow, 5 syllables, right? And then what? One more time. Right? Tative. 5 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marking the vowels. E, 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 A, I, and E. All right. What type of syllables do we have in here? Rep is the closed one. Good. What will be that one? We have the vowel at the end. It will be open. Good. So we have, let's mark this down. Closed, open, closed, ta. We have that vowel at the end. Yes, I can already hear you saying that is an open. Tiv. Very good. This is an open. And tiv. You guys would say that this is VCE, but it actually is not VCE. Remember that E does not make that I say its name, just like in the word legislative, representative. This is going to be a suffix. Okay? Oh, so we have 2 words, president and representative. And what I want you to know is that both president and representative are sometimes common nouns, okay? Common nouns, and sometimes they're proper nouns. We will only capitalize them, right? Put the uppercase letter at the beginning when we are using a proper noun. So if we are saying President Trump, right, we are going to use the uppercase letter. But if you're going to say, I would like to be a president, the word president is going to be spelled with a lowercase letter. Okay? Thank you. See you next time.